Hi guys, Harry Yotis here, professional trader for 20 years. Started my career in 2005 and still going strong in 2026. Okay, so today I thought I'd talk about a very special situation that is burning this market alive. Okay, this stock is VCX, Fundrise Innovation Fund. As you can see, it's today is March the 24th, but it started trading as an IPO March 19th. So just 4 days of trading. It opened at $31.25 and it's closed at, let's say, $315. So that's like 10x in 4 days. Okay, why is it on fire? Is it some Chinese stock that's being pumped and dumped? Is it a shit coin, meme coin? No. Okay, this is a US company. It's called a Fundrise Innovation Fund, and it's a venture capital fund that holds private AI pre-IPO stocks in it. Okay, so it's also structured as a closed-end mutual fund. So it's like it only has a limited amount of shares outstanding. Okay, and as you can see here from the bottom, before we get to the top, let's look at the top holdings that it has. It has 21% Anthropic, which is huge. Everybody wants in it. Databricks, OpenAI 10%. It also has shares of SpaceX and Anduril, the defense company, and also other AI, defense, and fintech unicorns. So this is a fund that holds all of these pre-IPO private AI stocks. So it's very, very hot. Everybody wants access to it quickly. And that's why the stock went up 10x. Okay. However, a little cautionary note, I wouldn't be chasing it here if I were you guys. Okay. The net asset value, the value of all the underlying holdings are about $19. Okay. Who really cares at net asset value? Maybe when they start trading publicly, they'll go up crazy, especially SpaceX could go up 5x, who knows? Okay. But here is the big deal here. It has 28.3, let's say, but I rounded it out to 28 million shares outstanding. But the float, the actual shares that you can trade in the open market right now is like 1.5 to 2.8 million. It's not a lot. This thin float is what making this company rip. Okay, so look, this volume bar right here on the last day is 866,000 shares, and it brought it up 64%. Okay, so basically it traded like half the float to like a third of the float in one day, and it's like not even an entire 1.5 million shares, not even the entire float was traded. Okay, let's say half to a third of the float was traded, and it was enough to rip the stock 60+%. Okay, it's very, very thin. Okay, and as time progresses, this float will increase. A lot of these owners' shares are being held up. Okay, they're not allowed to trade, maybe for 3-4 months, and then when that period ends, those shares are going to be dumped on the market. Okay, so it's not a lot. It's still 28 million shares. It's still fairly small. Okay, but this thin float is what's making it rip so crazy, and it could easily go down 50% on 600,000 shares traded. So yes, it might be an opportunity for retail traders to buy something that they cannot buy right now, like Anthropic, OpenAI, SpaceX, and Anduril, through this vehicle. But this is a crazy price. Okay, I would wait. I don't like buying these IPO type things. Wait until it forms some kind of technical pattern. Okay, because everybody's going to buy these stocks. Everybody likes these stocks. But when you're just throwing money into something like this without knowing anything, it's just a recipe for disaster. Okay, so just my opinion is to just hold on, wait till some kind of pattern emerges in the technicals, because the fundamentals might be good, but the technicals, I don't know. I don't like chasing stuff up here after a 10x move. Okay, so especially on very, very thin volume and a thin float, these are very, very dangerous stocks. Okay, so that's my 2 cents, guys. If you like what you hear, like and subscribe. I appreciate it, and let me know what you want covered down in the comments below, and I will answer as quick as I can. Take care.